In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage editing permissions in Cloudflare. This is especially helpful if you're collaborating with a team or need to oversee who can make changes to your account settings. We'll go through each step of the process so you know exactly how to adjust permissions and keep your Cloudflare account secure. First, let's start by logging into your Cloudflare dashboard. Once you're logged in, take a look at the menu on the left side of your screen. You'll want to locate the section labeled Manage Account. Click on the drop-down menu associated with it. This menu provides a variety of options for managing not just account settings, but also team settings, billing, and more. So it's something you might find useful beyond today's tutorial. After you click on Manage Account, you need to find and select the Configurations option. This will take you to a new page where you can see all sorts of configurations related to your account and domain settings. It's a powerful area that allows you to customize exactly how your account should operate and who gets to make which changes. Now that you're on the Configurations page, look for a section under the heading Preferences. This is where you can set numerous personal and team preferences, but today we're interested in editing permission. It's crucial to adjust these settings, especially if you work with multiple people, ensuring only those with the right privileges can make changes. Once you're in the Preferences section, look for the Editing Permission option, and next to this, you'll see a button, usually on the right side of this option. Go ahead and click this button. Doing so will open up a list of duration options for how long you want to grant or restrict editing permissions. Here's where you can make a choice based on your needs. You can choose to allow editing for just 1 hour, perhaps useful for quick updates. Or, if you're planning a more extended work session, choose 24 or 72 hours. There are also times when you may need a team member to have indefinite permissions, perhaps a trustworthy developer or administrator, and that too is an option you can select. Whatever duration you choose, be sure it aligns with your security and operational needs. Once you've made your choice, confirm your selection by pressing Approve, and that's it. You've now successfully adjusted the editing permissions for your Cloudflare account. This simple step helps to ensure the safety and security of your account, controlling access with precision and flexibility. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily manage permissions in Cloudflare, tailoring access to fit your team's specific requirements. Thank you for watching, and remember to keep your account settings aligned with your team's needs.